anymore.
Okay, so I'm sure you've seen this a gazillion times by now, which is the reason I very much appreciate you stopping by to check out my own unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And of course, it is in the midnight green color, the very popular color midnight green. Now, I generally tend to keep my videos short, especially the unboxing videos, and this one will be no different as we fly through the unboxing here. By the way, apparently it's T-Mobile's policy to go ahead and break the seal on all of the iPhones they sell, so you may have noticed this one is not sealed up. Anyways, so at first glance, here's the phone with the typical iPhone minimal packaging. It has a matte finish, which I like already. My next impression of the phone is that it's heavier than it looks, but either way, we're going to go ahead and turn it on as we continue with the unboxing here. The next thing out of the box is the manual along with the SIM ejector tool located somewhere in there. Okay, so there is a fast charger with this particular model. I bought my wife the iPhone 11, and hers did not come with a fast charger, even though it's a fast charging capable phone. So pretty much, if you buy an iPhone 11, you will not get the fast charger included in the box. These are the Apple Lightning earphones or wired earpods. And I still don't know why manufacturers don't include Bluetooth headphones as opposed to these things when people buy these crazy expensive phones. But anyways. We then have a Lightning to USB Type-C cable. Keep in mind that the USB Type-C part is the part that goes into the wall adapter, not into the phone. So essentially, Apple is still holding on to the Lightning connector here for a little while. Let's go back to the phone itself. As I mentioned earlier, we have a matte finish, which actually happens to be very slippery. I personally prefer this matte finish over the iPhone 11, more glossy and shiny finish. The outer band of the phone here is made out of stainless steel, giving it a very premium look and feel. On the back here is where you'll find the most drastic changes, notably the infamous triple lens camera here being the most obvious one of them. The Apple logo is down in the middle here, and it fills just right on that spot. The camera is what everyone has been talking about because this is what Apple has spent most of its time working on over the past year. I do have to admit one thing here though. This thing definitely looks different compared to what the leaks were showing. In my opinion, it looks just very nice. It does stick out a bit, so you would actually notice a tiny bump on the back here. So we have the same resolution and screen size as the iPhone XS Max, meaning a pretty large screen standing at 6.5 inch, and this is an OLED display as opposed to the iPhone 11, even though it's not immediately noticeable. The setup was pretty straightforward, and I got Face ID set up already. Also, it's supposed to be 30% faster and grab different angles. Now, I don't know whether that's the case, but I can tell you that it is wicked fast. According to Apple, this has better water resistance, although it's still IP68 certified. But I have no reason to doubt it. It also packs a heavier battery, which is the reason the phone itself is pretty heavy, and another reason why people have been raving about battery life on this new phone. Now, I'm really looking forward to switching to it as my everyday phone for a little while and see how I like it versus my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I've been out of the ecosystem for a while now, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how I like it again. Anyways, this was just my quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to go ahead and like, subscribe, of course, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.